Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 and an XLT trim, and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency, and coming with a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for three comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other space. And in the middle, you have two cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 info, your eco coach, auto start stop status, radio controls, and fuel economy. Then you can also exit out of that and go to your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and seat belts. And you can also look at your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost in your travels. Your favorite screen, where you can, again, like My View, put any of those subcategories there for ease of access, and whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, your traction control shut off. And moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, but also heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for... You have normal, tow haul, eco, and sport mode. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. So you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet with this button up here, opening the compartment above your glove box for more storage. Then moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt with a USB and USB-C, and a shelf beneath it where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever else. Moving on to your center console, where you have 2 cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, but then this can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might, or not what I meant to say, to accommodate another person. So you have seating for 5 passengers, 6 people in total in this truck. And then underneath that, you have another compartment for even more storage that can be locked as well. And then last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.